So following the main really fat positive cable that comes around all through here, that red one, and comes down to the starter motor, the first thing I found is that it was almost entirely corroded. So I cut it off, chased it back as far as I could and still reach, polished it up as best I could, hooked it back up to the terminal, no different. To roll this cable out, I'm using jumper cables, which I have jumped back over to the battery. Still the same experience though. So when I turn the key, what I just end up hearing is a little pop, like a solenoid activating, but nothing else happens. Here we go. Again. So that's where I'm at. I've disconnected a lot of things in there, polished everything back up, put it back together. This is the same behavior. And yesterday it was running fine with no issues. So something must be corroded and given out, but I don't know how to find it. All right, this doesn't feel smart to me, but I did see this in a debugging video. So if I short across these two things, you can see that the starter motor is trying to do something. So I don't exactly know what that means, but that was one of the tests that I saw.